guess what? We're back. But guess what? I'm not the one introducing. Spin it around, Chantal. You're the one introducing. I can't put you on the spot.
Maybe.
Yeah, I am. What are we doing? Where are we going?
Was it Yadboro Flats?
Yeah, we got to point the camera at you, not me.
Sorry.
You need to point the camera at you, not me.
Yeah, okay.
You're the one doing the intro.
Am I? Yeah. Welcome to Destination Off-Road. Welcome to Destination Off-Road, and we're heading over to Yadboro. This is embarrassing.
So, Neville speaking, and we're going to go on a family camp to, where are we going?
Yadboro Flats.
Campground.
Campground.
Who are with us?
We've got, should I say Mum or Anita? We've got Mum, Ryan, Denny, Oscar, and we've got Nana and Poppy. Should I say that? Or
Yeah, so you got,
I don't know.
So you got the two Pajeros. We've got the two Pajeros following us, trying to follow us.
There's 3 big holes in the middle of the road as you're going around that bend.
Out that way. It's
Okay,
hard to
thanks.
watch trees. Anna and Poppy are getting chased by somebody else. They tailgated them, and we're jumping around. This road needs a bit of grading. It's nice, isn't it?
Flash of the eyes come around that bend. A little bit right.
So we have officially made it, but the spot that we were hoping to get is now taken. So now we are just waiting for further instructions. So we have found our spot, and at the moment we are just setting up the cars. This spot is more private than the other spot that we were going to originally have. And it's also close to the toilets, so that's good.
This is kind of confusing now, just a bit. And there goes the butterflies. You sad, are you? Oh, there's another one.
No, this is the same one.
And they're our favourite colours.
See how close you can get.
That's right. Yeah,
Green,
I remember
purple,
that.
and pink.
Yeah.
So, there's a kookaburra just there. And she's seeing how close she can get.
Stop playing. Yeah. And you know what?
I gotcha. Alright, so we're packing up. We haven't had much of a video, but look at this. Look at these two. They're so cute.
Took one more look before heading off.
Yeah, last time we got up the hill for a while, it's the back way out of Yadboro Flats, because the Yadboro Flats road is quite bumpy and it needs grading.
So this is going to be our last trip here for a while because we are moving.
So where are we moving?
Bathurst.
We're moving to Bathurst.
Yep. So say goodbye to this place for a while. Won't be seeing this anytime soon.
Nice. You can see it's pretty dusty. I'm only going 25 k's an hour. It's still pushing up some dust. It's very dry. It needs a grate. Look at this. Look at this. That drop. Don't drop the GoPro hard. Now it's on. It's on. It's on.
Yeah, I see.
It's on.
I see.
I think we can go down this track. Which way do we go? That way or that way? I don't know. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, this track's not even, that's not even on the track. That's going that way, not that way. Oh well. Oh look, cars. There's a car.
We have a car. We have a fellow
We found one. We found one.
We have a friend.
What's it? Looks like an ugly Pajero. No, I'm joking. Pajeros are nice.
Oh, some more tracks up ahead.
So that one to the left is one that we used to go on, honey.
Oh, okay, I thought it looked familiar.
Sorry, I want to get more drone shots, but we're not on the clock, but we are sort of thing. So, but this is what we got to look forward to. Lady has fallen asleep. I am really going to miss this place. I've just got back to the start, almost at the start of the Yadboro Road, and I'm just taking one last look at this place. I never explored enough of it. I wish I did. Just never had time, and the surgeries and things like that. And yeah, that's just personal stuff. But anyway, yeah. We had an amazing time. The kids were tired and they did fight a little bit, but it doesn't matter. That's the point of going camping, is just so they can enjoy themselves and just chill and just do nothing. So we'll be doing a lot more.
Oh, isn't this lovely and bumpy?
That's nice. I actually enjoying this. Yeah, I enjoy every single second of this. I was just saying I enjoy this.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. I don't know. I'm very emotional. There's Anita. Yes, honey. I was filming while you were on the radio. Yeah. I don't want to cry. Chantel's still asleep. Even after all the bumps. Hope the drone shots turn out alright. Anyway, we'll do a final cut of the videos later. Very dry and corrugated. Is it still Ulladulla or Milton's council come and grate these roads? Despicable. It's just because they're dry.